Where did all the smells go? I'm not sure. Go play. Go play. Go play. I'm sending this to Daddy. Ah, to Daddy. You didn't mention that. That's right. You better. Go play more. Go. What a weirdness. And this is how much snow we had today. Sheesh. Actually, it was much more than that over at the mall. As you can see, the dog's legs are disappearing. It was fun walking that back home, I must say. Good dog. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. Holy cow. There's a lot of snow there. It's a lot of snow, yeah? Wow. Let's make Mommy's handprint. Boing. Okay. That's my handprint on the very thick snow. I'm taking a slice out of it. That's a slice out of it, and that's how high it was. Can you tell how high it is? Very high. Go. Where are you? Taylor. Oh,